Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we're talking about the show Dog with the Vlog. This is honestly going to be a short video because I don't have much to say about Dog with the Vlog, and when I do my videos, I like to do them off of memory. When I watch the shows or when I watch the movies, I like to do them off of memory and stuff, so this is going to be really short because I have not watched the show in like years. I've not watched the show since I was like really young. So honestly, in my opinion of the show, I really like it. I think it's wacky. I think it's chaotic. I think it's funny. I think they do have decent one-liners. I think the actors do a pretty decent job at what they're supposed to convey. I think the storyline is a little out of there, but it's a unique storyline, so that's good. I actually do like the characters. And as for the villain, I don't know how to feel about him. Like, no, never mind. I actually don't like his character. Now the thing about him, because I'm like replaying his character in my head, and I'm like, I don't really like him because he was like really a villain. He was out here kidnapping people's dogs so he could make profit off of them. So another thing about I don't like his character. As for Stan, um, I enjoyed his character and what he did. And he did mature because like he became a father and he did better as a character, so that's what I have to say. I actually did like the parents. They were reasonable as parents. And as for like the rest of the characters, they were actually pretty decent, except for this one character who was trying to juggle all three girls at one time and then got caught. Like that's what she deserved. You don't get out here juggling women. Like, don't do that. And honestly, that's what I have to say about the show. Like I said, I'm working off memory, don't have a good memory about the show. I'm just saying what I remember from when I was young. So that's why this video is so short. And I do apologize if there's like any problems with the audio. I just don't know how to fix it. I've tried everything and I don't know what to do.